5 interesting facts about the universe. The universe is a mind-boggling place. Here are 5 of the most astounding discoveries about the place we live in. Number 5. The universe is expanding. In the 1920s, American astronomer Edwin Hubble made an extraordinary discovery that changed the way we used to think about the universe. We used to think that our galaxy is the whole universe, and there is nothing more to it, but Hubble discovered that there are many other galaxies like our own. It is now estimated that there are roughly 2 trillion galaxies in the universe. Hubble observed that each of these galaxies is moving away from the other. This conclusion was based on Doppler effect. According to Doppler effect, when the source of light is moving away from us, it will be red-shifted, while if the source of light is moving towards us, it will be blue-shifted. This was an astonishing discovery. Hubble saw that every galaxy is red-shifted, which means that they are moving away from us. This discovery was important because prior to this discovery, people believed in a static universe. Another important aspect of this discovery was scientists started to think if the universe is expanding, then if we rewind the clock, everything would start to get closer and closer, and we will get a very small point. Hence, the universe has a beginning. Number 4. The speed of light is constant. The speed of light is constant no matter what speed you are moving. Well, what does that mean and why is it important? Imagine yourself in a train moving at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour. You throw a ball in the direction of the train's motion. Suppose the ball is moving 15 kilometers per hour in reference to you. But what would be the ball's speed for someone standing still near the track? Well, it would be the train's speed combined with the speed of the ball with respect to you, 115 kilometers per hour. That is where the speed of light becomes a special case. It doesn't change. In vacuum, the speed of light is 186,000 miles per second, 300,000 kilometers per second. If you were to light a torch instead of throwing the ball, the light's speed would remain the same. It is independent of the motion of the observer. Another interesting point about the speed of light is that only those things which are massless can travel with that speed. For example, a photon is a massless particle, and it travels at the speed of light. Number 3. The universe has no center. When we talked about the expansion of the universe, you might have thought that Edwin Hubble observed every galaxy moving away from us. So, it means we are at the center of the universe. No, we are not. You might find it counterintuitive, but our universe has no center. Wherever you stand in the universe, go to some other galaxy, you will observe the same phenomenon. Every galaxy is moving away from each other. Number 2. The universe is 13.77 billion years old. Since we learned that the universe has a beginning, we started to find how old is the universe. First, scientists estimated that the universe was formed between 10 to 20 billion years ago. But as our understanding of the universe increased, we found new tools to estimate the age of the universe. Recently, this age was estimated to be 13.77 billion years plus or minus 40 million years. Number 1. 95% of the universe is invisible. When you look at the universe, you see planets, stars, galaxies. The universe is filled with stuff. Even if you zoom into an empty part of the universe, you will find hundreds and thousands of galaxies. A famous example is the Hubble ultra-deep field. You might find it astonishing, but it is only 5% of the universe. 95% of the universe is invisible and is a mystery. 25% of the universe is made of dark matter. Scientists don't know what it is, but due to its gravitational influence on nearby stuff, it can be detected. While 68% of the universe is made of unknown energy, called dark energy. It is the reason behind the expansion of the universe. But scientists have no idea what exactly it is.